Welcome to another in the series of self-identity through Ho'oponopono. Here is Dr. Ihaleakala, Hew Len.
Welcome to the series on self-identity through Ho'oponopono. It's kind of interesting when I travel around the world how people pronounce the word Ho'oponopono. Some pronounce it Hokapiki, some pronounce Ho'oho, so I'm going to tell you the correct way to pronounce it. It's Ho'oponopono. And what does Ho'oponopono mean? Ho'oponopono means to correct an error. This simply means to correct an error. So the Ho'oponopono is a very simple process. I have taught it around the world. I just got back from Dubai and places like Italy and Czech Republic, France. I did a couple classes in Australia. I've done several classes in Japan and in Tokyo, and I'm going to do a business class in the Netherlands and in Germany. And so I've taught these classes across the U.S. In Hawaii. So, and the conclusion is that most people get that it's all in them. At some point in the class, they go, it's my problems are me, and it's not about my mother or my mother-in-law or my father. So I'm going to talk to you today about blue solar water and as a cleaning process. But first we want to begin with your identity, and your identity is zero. So you begin at zero, what quantum mechanics call zero, and then out of this zero comes this enlightenment, what Buddha called enlightenment, called inspiration, what Shakespeare called beauty. And then divinity at some point decided to create your identity. I don't know why, but he decided to create your identity in its exact likeness, infinite nothing. So you are exact replica of the divine creator. So now you are perfect spiritually, mentally, and physically. And then as long as you are you, to thine own self be true, you can't be false to anybody, you get inspired, and the whole world gets inspired. Everybody gets whatever it is that they need. But then memory shows up, and memory blocks the light, and so it goes against the light, and so this is a problem. And so the Ho'oponopono is about cleaning up the problem. So the blue solar water, so I'm going to talk to you about the blue solar water. Blue solar water is a process where you make the water, and the water is used to clean memories. And so the way you make the blue solar water is you get tap water, you fill a blue bottle with tap water, you leave it out in the sun for 15 minutes to an hour, and then you drink it. You can drink it, cook with it, use it anyway. You can put it in your radiator, you can put it in your wash, you can, if you have children, you can use it with them, they can drink it. And so it's very easy to do, and all you have to do is drink it, and then the correction takes place. Yeah. So I'm going to go over this one more time with you. So blue solar water. So what you're going to do is fill tap water into a blue bottle and place it in the sun or under a blue incandescent lamp for 15 to 60 minutes. You check with your inspiration to determine the amount of time that you need for you to leave out in the sun. You cap the bottle with a non-metal cover. Then again, as I repeated, as I said, you can drink it, cook with it, water plants, put it in the laundry, use in the steam iron, rinse with, and after showering, important to drink. So the Ho'oponopono is a very, very simple process of repentance, forgiveness, and transmutation. And drinking the blue solar water allows this transmutation to take place. So you drink the blue solar water, then the petition goes up to the divinity. Divinity then responds. Divinity sends the information down called cleansing. It takes this energy right here and it moves it into pure light. See, the blue solar water is a process of repentance, forgiveness, and transmutation, and it's very, very, very easy to do. And all you have to do is drink it. Thank you very much.
For more information, self-identity through Ho'oponopono.com.